I'm Macey Orth. I'm from South Jordan, Utah, and I'm a manufacturing engineering major. I served a mission and I served in Charlotte, North Carolina, English speaking. I think something that helped me from my mission was just being able to talk to anyone and work with anyone, like all my companions. I had a ton of companions, and then also not be afraid to talk to new people, which I was definitely afraid of before. So that definitely was a big change. I wanted to study manufacturing because I really like hands-on activities and building things, seeing how things work, seeing how I can make things more efficient. My dad actually also studied manufacturing engineering here. I tried out some other majors, more design-oriented majors, and just didn't really feel like those were for me. My favorite non-engineering class, I took a religion class that was Christ and the Crucifixion from John Hilton. It was really, really awesome. I really love rock climbing. So I go to the quarry in the winter when it's bad weather and stuff, or I go up to Rock Canyon and climb up there. I like to go running, just be outside in general. I've run a marathon before. I'm gonna train for another one here soon, so that takes a lot of time. I really loved plastics. That was probably my favorite engineering class. I took it from Dr. George, and he's awesome. Very enthusiastic about the material, which I loved. Right now, I'm a TA for plastics. I did metals last semester, and I do the Introduction to Manufacturing course. I am the Women in Manufacturing Club president, co-president, and that's a lot of fun. We do lots of activities just to bring the women together in the major. There's not very many of us, so. I've done some projects with Capstone right now, and then with Global Engineering Outreach last year. And that was a really fun project too. We did a wheelchair cushion design for a clinic in Ecuador, and then we got to go there and get some real life feedback and kind of go through the whole process with them along the way. Some advice I'd give to other students in my major: apply yourself, find other projects that are interesting to you, and do lots of interdisciplinary stuff, because that's what you'll be doing in industry. Really become friends with the people in your classes, because we're such a tight-knit group that you go through all the major classes with them. It makes class a lot more enjoyable, and you work in groups with them, so becoming friends with them just makes it really fun. I have a really good group of people that I am in classes with, so we have a lot of fun in our classes.